Here at Straub's today, we're putting this 18-degree Mayhem motor together that Chris always talks about. Using some vintage parts like these Gold Crane 18-degree rocker arms, set of our T&D shaft mounts. So we had to do a little bit of work today. Had to take 50 thousandths off of the ends of these and the rocker arm holders, because when Crane built these back in the day, they were, you know, for the GM head, some 18-degree Brodex stuff and all. And so these things fitted the 18-degree heads, the Brodex, some of the Brodex, like the X's, the GM 18-degree heads, and our cylinder heads, the two center ones. It butts together a little bit. Even though this is vintage stuff, we just had to trim 50 thousandths off the end of it. That way that it will line up and bolt in there and everything's good. Also had to take 50 thousandths off the shaft that holds the rocker arm, because they do butt when you bolt them on together. So here today, that's what we're doing. Trying to get this thing ready to go racing here in the next couple days. Just give you a little history on what's going on. These old cranes come with a lot of shims, so you have to set your play from side to side with your shaft. And these are the old style without the bearing. These have the bushings in them. That's the thing back in the day what Crane did. And here's all our bushings that we got, the shims that we have to use to line our rocker arms up over the valve, so we get everything not too far back, not too far to one side, left or right. That's about it.